Good morning guys, in front of me is Lumia 630 and let me show you how to change the default language of this device. First of all, you have to find and select settings. Then scroll a bit lower and click on language. Tap on add languages and choose the one that you want to apply. Tap on confirmation mark and click on yes. And now you will have to restart your phone, so let me do it. So the language is applied. And that's it, that will be all. Now you can use your device in this brand new language that you picked. So that's it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.